Are you serious? Really, game? Lock on. I did it with like no time left. I like that in Friday the 13th you could play as Jason against bots offline, but I don't know why other games never. Do you mean like? Are you talking about like the solo missions that they did? Like where it's like, go kill this counselor. Or are you saying like you could actually play with, like do the actual match with just bots? Because I don't remember that. I remember they introduced later, like a year after, they introduced like the solo missions you could do. But that wasn't at launch. That wasn't until like much later that they introduced that. Game. You can make custom matches, but you can add bots and change. Really? I don't remember that. I didn't remember that at all, but you could do it all offline. Well, unfortunately, you can't do that now because it's completely shut down. But yeah, I don't remember that being that must have been something that they added later. Rokubi. Look at Shiva Inu. Rainwalker 5. I could do this all day. Kushisake. I imagine at some point they're gonna give me duplicates, right? I think if you have the game, you can do the offline mode against bots, but you can't play online or buy the game anymore. I'll have to look. I still have it. Meow. Meow. I know Evil Dead. Evil Dead was hard.